I bought a new blower motor fan on eBay, but unfortunately it is not exactly the same as the original fan. You can see in these two pictures the new fan is taller, and when I tried to put it in, it did not fit. So I ended up working on this new version of the fan. I cut off this kind of ring that was projecting, and now it is the same height as the OEM version. This is what the cut edge looks like compared to the original fan. And they're, pretty close in dimension now. This is more prominent than the bulge on the inside of the other one. I hope that doesn't, cause any issue. So I'm going to install this and we'll see how it works. Okay, so I just installed the fan, so you can see it over there. And I only put one screw in. I just want to see if it turns on. I put the power back on the car, and let's see. Hopefully this will work. That's not the sound I want to hear. So we got some problems.